Hey guys, so I have the 7 math questions that you had to do for Mrs. Wickup. Let's go ahead and get started. The biggest thing I want you to remember when you're doing all of these is if the number has a percent after it, it's going to go on top of the 100. If it says is, and then it has a number or like what is, that's going to go on top. And if it says of a number, the number that goes after that is going to go on the bottom. And she put this on the notes. Make sure you are watching her video of the notes. So number 1, it says 35% is what number of 200? So I'm going to cross multiply. When I do, I have 100x equals 200 times 35. I'm feeding Shay lunch, can you tell? When I multiply those two numbers, I have 100x equals 7,000. Divide both sides by 100, and I am left with the x is equal to 70. Okay. Number 2, it says you have to write it, and I think it says like 78% is what number of 96. So 78%, okay, 78 goes over the 100, is what number of 96? So that is going to be your proportion for number 2. Number 3, I have 15% of 15% is what number of 25? Again, I'm going to cross multiply. 100x equals 15 times 25. When I multiply 15 times 25, I get 375. So 100x equals 375. Divide both of those sides by 100. And my answer is 3.75. Number 4, it wants you to figure out which is more, 25% of 15 or 15% of 25. I'm not going to do this whole thing. Cross multiply. 100x equals 25 times 15. 100x equals 25 times 15. What do you notice about those two equations? Okay, moving on to number 5. That's not right. The x should be 50. Same exact thing, guys. Just cross multiply, okay? And then set up the equation and solve just like we have for the rest of them. So 100x equals 48 times 50. Divide by 100 and you'll have your x. Number 6, it says what number is 19% of 45. Okay, and number 7, great job, Shelby Lynn, getting a 90 on that math test. So I have 90%, so 90 over 100. There were 40 questions total. I know my total is going to go on the bottom. When I cross multiply, I have 100x equals 90 times 40. When I multiply that through, 90 times 40 is going to give me 3,600. Divide both sides by 100, and x is equal to 36. However, that wasn't what the question asked. This is how many questions they get correct. They want to know how many questions she got wrong. Because if you got 36 questions wrong on the test, you're certainly not getting a 90. So you just need to do 40 minus 36. And your answer is going to be 4 questions wrong. Okay, that's it for Wednesday. If you haven't done your assignment for Resource Room yet, make sure you do that. Remember, you have a test for science. Make sure you are studying for that. And as always, reach out to me if you have any questions. See you later.